Once in Vienna, Beethoven was immediately regarded as a master of music.
18页，人物传记，会圣贝多芬 Struggle and Triumph. Historians divide Beethoven's works into three periods: early, middle, and late. His early period was heavily influenced by his teachers, namely Mozart and Haydn. At this time, Beethoven was exploring new styles. The middle period of his music was defined by his loss of hearing. This was when he created many of his masterpieces that were noted for expressing struggle. Beethoven's late period began in 1816 and lasted until his death in 1827. He mostly experimented with personal expression.
荧幕录影啊，可以配合这个相机程式啊，
He sometimes thought of ending his own life.
这样空间比较小。